They tell us f of x is a line with a negative slope, so it might look something like this. So the first one, if a is less than b, is f of a going to be greater than f of b? Sure, because if this is a and this is b, the height of the function at those two values shows you that f of a has to be bigger, in other words, taller than f of b. So one works. What about number two? If a is less than 0, f of a is greater than 0. But what if the line went like this? That still has a negative slope. And for these values down here, these points on the line are at a values that are less than 0, but the value of the function, the height, is not greater than 0. It's actually less, right? So it all depends on how you draw it. So 2 is not necessarily true. And what about 3? If a is greater than 0, is f of a less than 0? Not necessarily, because in the first example of the line here, these here are points on the line where there's a positive a value, right? It's greater than 0. And the height of the function is not less than 0, right? So the only one that has to be true is 1, so the answer is A.